this video, I will show you how to assemble and seal the mainframe. The first step will be insert the rails into the seal channel. After that, I will snap the sealed end cap into the extrusion. This side must face outwards. After making sure the sealed end cap is completely flush with the extrusion, I will snap it in with a mallet and a block. Here I have the jamb. I can tell that this is the lower end because of the fabrication cut is not uniform. Note that the longest leg must face outwards. Now I will proceed to seal the joints of the mainframe. After that, using the screws provided in the part box, I will fasten the frame together. Make sure this side of the header is facing outwards to facilitate the installation of accessories. Follow the same procedure with the other corners of the frame using the fasteners provided in the part box. To recap, I already showed you how to assemble the mainframe. In the next video, I will show you how to install the mainframe and how to insert the panels.